Okay, this is just a quick video showing how I pack things. Double box, bubble wrap, inside the box, outside the box. I'm not finished. I'm going to put, more bubble wrap on top, tape it up, seal it up real good. And what's inside is a chassis project as is RF deck. No tubes, just a little RF deck transformer in it, chassis for parts as is. And this is how I wrap and ship something as, I don't want to say insignificant, but inexpensive, let's say, and as a RF deck. And that deck is pretty solid. No tubes to get broke and stuff like that. But anyway, that's how I wrap stuff. Double box, bubble wrap, all that. That thing is gonna be safe in there. Gonna be happy. Wrapped up like a pillow in a cocoon. So anyway, for those who put a little bit of paper in there and a too tight a box, and think you doing something, yeah, okay, all right, yep, sure. All right, that's my rant for the day. You're gonna do something, do it right. And again, this is just a RF deck, no tubes, nothing delicate in it. Bye.